The Tunisian knit stitch looks an awful lot like stockinette stitch from the front, but it's much thicker and definitely does not have that flatness to it on the back. It's very ridgy. To make the Tunisian knit stitch, if you notice, there is a front bar here. It goes up into the chain up at the top and then back down the back here. This is one stitch. It's like an inverted U. To make the knit stitch, skip the first one and then go into between the front and back vertical bars to pull up your loop. I like to pull the loop up a little higher because if you don't, it's just going to sit there on front like this. That's too tight. Bring it up a little bit and then continue pulling up a loop all the way across. This is 10 stitches. So you'll just work all the way across in between the two vertical bars. Now when you get to the last stitch, if you pull up only one loop, it will be too loopy there on the end. So I always pull through these two outer bars. It's just a chain stitch on the end, so it's one vertical bar here and then that back horizontal bar that's normally of the chain, just under those two. It's just for stability. Now to close, chain one, and there's that chain again right there. Yarn over, pull through two, all the way across. Tunisian knit stitch is very curly, so you will need some other stitch to stabilize it. I like to use reverse stitch to stabilize it from curling. Also, a very thick border will work as well.